What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a new little project, 2017 Porsche Panamera. One of the subscribers actually brought this car to us. Thank you so much for your business. Got in a minor left side collision. In a minute we'll go around and I'll show you guys exactly what's going on with the car. And I want to say big thank you to you guys for watching this video. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this car content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because we post new videos every week, new videos. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and let's jump in and see what's going on with this car. Let's take a closer look and see what's going on with this beauty. We got two left doors are damaged. We're gonna be repairing them. Fairly easy repair. They're aluminum, so we're just gonna have to heat them up, bang them out, and apply a little bit of body filler, and we should be good to go. It's gonna look like nothing ever happened. So that's the little damage. I think I'm just gonna make one video for you guys from A to Z, get this thing in and out, and boom, ready for delivery. So let's pull the car inside, start taking everything apart, and we'll go from there. Just got the Porsche inside of the shop so we could start working on it. And first, what I'm gonna do, let me show it to you guys. Start with the doors. I gotta repair them, like I said before. I'm gonna remove door panels, front and rear. This way I have all the access to get to it. And I'll pop this one out and pop this one out. And then we'll apply a little bit of body filler, and we should be good to go, like nothing ever happened. So let's remove the door panels and we'll go from there. Just removed the door panel, and I got some good news. We got actually a nice open space to get and pop that thing out. Let me show it to you guys. Check it out. Look at this perfect opening. Enough room to get to that corner. I'll use my PDR tool to pop this out. It should be good. And same with the back. So next I'm gonna remove the door panel on the rear, and I believe we'll have access through that speaker and just enough room to pop this out. So yeah, slowly getting somewhere. Just remove the rear door panel, and man, like I said, we'll have access through the speakers. So yes, we do have access. So let me show you what's going on. Check it out. So just enough access to get there. And I'll use my PDR tools, like I said, and pop that out. So yeah, not bad at all. Let's get the PDR tools out and try to pop that out. Check it out. We put some primer last night, so we're all done with that. So next, what I gotta do, remove the door handle, the molding up here, and the mirror, so we could paint both doors. So we decided to paint the doors separate from the car. Let me show you why. The front door has a seal and in order to remove it, you got to remove the door anyway. So we decided we don't have to blend anything on the cars, we'll just paint the two doors and it'll be a nice and clean job, and we'll reinstall them again. It'll be like nothing ever happened. So let's remove that door, Andre will paint them, and we're good to go. We got the doors and the spray booth prepped and ready to go. Andre's gonna spray them real quick, do his magic, and we're ready to go. Porsche doors got painted, looking good, like nothing ever happened. Let's take a look at it. Look at this, perfect. Perfect body lines, perfect everything. Couldn't been happier. That is it, my friends. We're finished with the Porsche. Put the doors together, everything in working condition. Let's check it out. We'll start with the front door. Everything locks, everything works. Same with the back door. Put everything back together. Caps are looking good. Body lines are perfect. So yeah, came out really nice. And then another thing, customer asked us if we could do something about the front bumper. He had a license plate, so he wanted us to remove the license plate, and he has a couple holes right here. And we said the proper way to fix it, you gotta patch them up, or there's a little solution. It'll look clean. Check it out. What do you guys think? So we end up getting a couple of clips, the Christmas tree clips, and we painted them white. So we'll just slap those on and it'll look a lot better. At least the hole's not gonna be visible. So as you can see, those are little Christmas tree clips. What you do, you just stick them in. Boom. So something like this. What do you guys think? It looks a lot better now. It doesn't throw into your eyes. But that's the only way we could fix that without completely removing the bumper and repairing and all that fun stuff. Boom, check it out. You can't even see it. That's it. My job is done. We're gonna give it to Jose. He's gonna wash it, detail, and ready for delivery. We'll take some cinematic shots after Jose wash it. So let's go. That is it, my friends. We're officially finished with Porsche, washed, detailed, and ready to go. Let's take a closer look exactly what we did. We repaired both doors, looking good, like nothing happened, and we installed the new stone guard. So we're officially finished. It was a quick repair for a fellow subscriber, so thank you for bringing your beautiful car to us so we could work on it. So I want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching this video. If you're new to this channel and you enjoyed this kind of content, make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!